Welcome to Sun Springs Retirement Community. Have the time of your life for the rest of your life.
We are young, we run free.
Well, you got everything you could ever need. Over 100 clubs. Now, what brings you to Sun Springs?
Oh, I'm just here to die.
Uh-huh.
Hi, moving in. I was hoping you'd be a man. There's not enough erections around here as it is. What's this? You were a cheerleader.
My mother was very sick, so I quit the team.
Maybe you should give it another shot.
We want to start a cheerleading club.
Who will you be cheering for?
Ourselves. Show us what you've got.
She's great. I always did want to be a cheerleader. I'd asked my husband, what'd he say over my dead body?
That was fast.
A little too fast, if you ask me. See you at practice. A competition. Let's sign up. We could do with a little help.
We want you to be our choreographer.
The oldest category is 18 plus.
We're 18 plus. 18 plus 50.
I'm not gonna lie to you, it's gonna be a lot tougher than I thought.
When I jump too much, I get dizzy.
I had my knee replaced. Did I mention I had chlamydia?
Yeah, you did, along with a shocking amount of other information.
Martha, what about you?
Me? No, I'm fine. I'm fit as a fiddle.
Why didn't you tell me?
I'm dying.
You were dying yesterday, and you're gonna be dying next week. In the meantime, you should be dancing your ass off.
You are going to humiliate yourself.
I can't do this.
We're all so worried about what everyone else is thinking, when of course the only thing that really matters is what we think of ourselves.
Break a hip. Get pregnant.
I always wanted to date a cheerleader.
Now I know you're scared. I'm scared too. But there's someone I'd rather go out there with.
I've never had a grandma before, and now it's like I have 8.
You're one of us now, except with higher boobies.